I'm hungry! What's up, Jersey Jeff Eats Foodies? I am here in beautiful Atlantic City, right on the boardwalk in front of the Hard Rock. Gonna go inside and check out the Federal Donuts and Chicken place. I want to say the new place, but it's been there for, I'm gonna say, well, the beginning of the summer at least, so it's been a while. But it's my first visit. I'm going to take you guys along with me, and then afterwards we're going to do a little slot pull. We're going to head over to the marina side of town, do a slot pull at Golden Nugget, and we'll take things from there. Come along with me. I've heard just about every opinion imaginable with regards to Federal Donuts and Chicken. Some people told me it was fantastic. Others have said it was just okay. I've even had people tell me it's worth visiting simply because it's open 24/7. And then I've heard the opposite. It's overpriced, the chicken is dry, it makes the elevator lobby smell like fryer oil. So today we're putting all that to the test. After we eat, we'll continue the evening by heading over to the Marina District to the Golden Nugget for one of my slot pulls. Again, this is the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. I normally don't do slot pulls on this channel, but I figured it's going to be a nice way to end the evening. So if you've watched this channel for any length of time, you probably know that for whatever reason, I always seem to have pretty good luck at the Golden Nugget. So let's see if that streak continues tonight. But first, let's eat. Federal Donuts originally started in Philadelphia and built a loyal following by doing two things: fresh fried chicken and fresh donuts. A pretty simple concept. As you can imagine, Hard Rock attracts people around the clock: gamblers, concert goers, hotel guests, night owls, people leaving the clubs, people arriving 2 o'clock in the morning. A restaurant that's open 24 hours, 7 days a week, serving chicken and donuts and coffee seems to be a good fit. I stay at the Hard Rock a lot, so sometimes after spending an evening in the casino, you just want something quick before heading upstairs, not necessarily a big sit-down meal, maybe just a sandwich or a donut and coffee before driving home the next morning, so I was generally hoping this place would become one of my regular stops. By the way, I've been asking you guys to hit that hype button, and I found something out. It's only available on mobile applications, so if you're using your TV or your desktop, there is no hype button. But if you're using your phone, go ahead and hit it. After looking over everything, I decided to order the fried chicken bacon ranch sandwich. This sandwich comes with a fried chicken breast, buttermilk ranch dressing, crunchy romaine lettuce, crispy bacon, ranch dressing, served on a potato roll. It sounds pretty good, but here's where my expectations immediately went up. The sandwich cost. It cost $16, and that's without tax. With tax, you're talking about $17 for a fast food chicken sandwich. No fries, no drink, just over $17 for the sandwich. This thing better taste phenomenal. I mean, at that price, I'm expecting something really special. I think you would too. Not necessarily enormous, but something memorable, something that makes you think, yeah, I understand why this costs what it does. Ordering is easy, everything's made to order, and the staff is very friendly. Soon enough, my name was called. I went to get my bag. Now, let's take a look. The first thing I noticed, this sandwich is hot. The bag itself is really hot. You can tell this chicken literally just came out of the fryer, and that's always a good thing. The potato roll looked nice. It was fresh and soft, exactly what you'd want. The lettuce looked fresh enough, although I wouldn't necessarily describe it as crunchy. Then I noticed something else. The chicken and the bacon both looked pretty dark. Not burnt, but darker than I expected. It immediately made me wonder if maybe they spent just a little bit too much time in the fryer. Then I opened up the sandwich. Well, where's the ranch? Seriously, there really wasn't that much ranch dressing on this sandwich at all. Considering it's literally called the bacon ranch sandwich, I expected more. Quite a bit more. It was quite dry. The chicken definitely had a nice crunch. The breading was flavorful, no complaints there, but after chewing it a little bit, I started noticing something. It was really quite dry. Not terrible, not inedible, just dry. It tasted like it spent a little too much time in the fryer. And the bacon, the same story. Very crispy, almost too crispy. Between the overcooked chicken and the extra crispy bacon, and very little ranch dressing, the sandwich didn't have enough moisture. I kept thinking if they had simply added another spoonful of ranch dressing, this probably would have been a better sandwich. Instead, everything just felt dry. The potato roll helped, but it couldn't completely save it. And yes, I could have asked for more ranch, but I'm here to review the sandwich, not to make things the way I like them. Now here's where things become difficult. Had I ordered this sandwich somewhere else, let's say for $9, I'd probably say, it's okay, it wasn't my favorite, maybe I'd give it another shot. But when you're paying over $17 after tax, the expectations naturally become much higher. You're not comparing it to other chicken sandwiches anymore, you're comparing it to every other meal you could have purchased for that same amount of money, and that's where this sandwich loses points. Let's face it, Hard Rock has burgers, pizzas, subs, coffee, pastries, sit-down restaurants, quick service restaurants, snack locations. There is no shortage of places to eat, and that's pretty stiff competition. If you're only visiting Hard Rock for one night, where are you spending your food budget? Honestly, I'm not sure Federal Donuts would be my first recommendation. I will stop by again for some donuts and coffee, but even the donuts they're kind of small and they're $4.50 each, so there's that as well. With my visit complete here, let's head on over to the marina side of town to the Golden Nugget for a slot pull. Alright, dinner's over, it's time for dessert. Well, not the sweet kind, the casino kind. Now, if you watch the Nu Yawk channel, you probably noticed something. For whatever reason, I seem to have some pretty decent luck over here at the Golden Nugget. Let's see if tonight continues that trend. By the way, it's about midnight, way past my bedtime. I'm usually a early to bed, early to rise kind of guy. That's how I keep my handsome, youthful appearance. That and a lot of AI. Well, at least in the thumbnails. Tonight I found a machine called Thunder Drums. I honestly don't think I've ever played this one before. Always fun trying something new. I put 100 in and well, let's see what happens before I put more in. $100, $1 a spin. I was only a couple spins in and I already bonused. Not bad for a start. Let's see if the winning streak continues. Obviously, I'm editing the time that I've been playing here. It's going on about 15-20 minutes. I decided to up the bet to $1.50 a spin. some nice bonus dollars and a couple of free spins as well. Too bad. I've only been here 15-20 minutes and I more than doubled my money. I know it's not a ton of money, but hey, it's money regardless, right? Listen, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share it on your social media. If you can, hit that hype button. I've got to get to bed. I gotta wake up early. I got a lot on my agenda, so thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Hey, would you ever pay $17 for a fast food chicken sandwich? Leave a comment below.